Welcome to Holiday Specialist Getaway's Contract. It's our day 4. We are traveling from Paju to khobusay. After cover little distance on dry land, now we are on rocky terrain and glaciers. This is Baltistan River. Due to climate change, the glaciers is melting rapidly. We are lucky because the weather has remained clear since last week and we are enjoying the wilderness of mountain, enjoying the breathtaking view of Trango Tower. Mules used to carry luggage on mountain trek. Unique rest style, Mr. Sami. Today we are facing too many up and downs in the way. Follow your guide's instruction carefully and avoid veering off the path. There might be some hidden curves. Small lakes of glaciers water. Spectacular view of mountain with crystal sky. Khobusay River with no wedge, just cross with teamwork of the group and try to cross this type of rivers before 12 o'clock of the day. It's a mountain life. Maintain unity with your team by helping and respecting others to make your trips unforgettable. After arriving at khobusay camping site, we are installing our camp here. Today we will enjoy here. Thank you and good luck everyone.